Meaning of equalization.
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 Equalization. Equalization refers to the process of adjusting the balance between frequency components within an audio signal. This is typically done using equalization (EQ) filters, which can boost or cut particular frequencies to achieve the desired balance. The result of equalization can be heard as a more balanced sound, with no frequency ranges overpowering others. By adjusting the levels of different frequency components, it is possible to make a recording sound clearer, crisper, and more intelligible. Equalization can also be used creatively to add character and texture to audio recordings.